Here is a step-by-step guide on managing your product roadmap using a Kanban-based system integrated with AI and third-party project management tools. First, access the product roadmap and choose your product to continue. Then, create a list of lanes for your Kanban views, either from the default listing or by importing them from your external project management tools. Once you've set up the lanes, move to the tabular view where you can see a list of AI-suggested features. You can accept these suggestions, and they will be added directly to your feature backlog. Next, enhance the functionality of your new product by adding a new feature manually. After doing so, identify the release you're working on. At this stage, you'll need to estimate the complexity of the feature, considering both business and software development perspectives. The status of each feature reflects its position in the Kanban lane as well as its overall progress. Typically, starting with an idea or backlog lane is a good approach for new features. As you proceed, prioritize features based on their importance to the business. Developers will review these features once they are broken down into smaller tasks and issues. Tags, which can be imported from third-party tools, help categorize and track the progress and functionality of features. You can select multiple tags to reflect overarching features. Additionally, you can assign features for review to a development lead or another team member. Clarifying questions can be added to help the team understand how to develop the feature and where it should be integrated. While optional, these questions are often helpful for developers. If your product involves collecting and storing data, it's important to inform your team about where and how this data should be displayed. A link to the original card will appear when you import features from third-party integration tools like Trello or GitHub. You also have the option to manually sync data between labs and these external tools. Now let's check out the Kanban view of your product. Here you can view comments on features or issues, as well as review any issues or bugs, whether they are imported from third-party tools or created directly within labs. Each issue is connected to a feature, allowing you to group all related issues into one release. If an issue was manually created or imported, you can link it accordingly. Features that are split by the lab's AI will be automatically linked. Finally, you can connect your product to multiple GitHub repositories, syncing issues back and forth while linking them to a specific feature and release.